Imagine a world where trash overruns our world. Climate changes are so drastic, causing extensive damage to every region. There is one simple way to fix these issues. It's called recycling. It benefits our economy and our environment dramatically. I am so tired of seeing our Earth's environment go to crap. I want my grandkids to grow up in a healthy, safe world. I hope to inform you all about the extraordinary benefits recycling can have on our environment and our economy. Did you know that 80% of the energy used by the United States comes from the burning of fossil fuels, according to the Energy Information Administration? These non renewable resources include oil, coal, and natural gas. If you may not know, non renewable resources are resources that have a limited supply. Have you ever wondered what happens to our Earth when we burn these resources? Well, when coal or oil are burned, particles are released that can cause pollution in our air, water, and land. It is even linked to asthma, cancer, neurological problems also. How can you help prevent these issues? It's very simple and easy. Instead of driving alone, why not walk or ride a bike depending on how far you have to go? When you leave a room, turn out the lights, unplug devices from the outlets that aren't being used. Another problem our environment has is the growing need for landfills. As we all know, the number of people on our planet is growing exponentially, which means more trash. Eventually, there won't be any room left in our landfills, so they will overflow with trash or we will have to create more landfills. According to the Romanian Ministry of Environment and Forests, the development of a landfill site means the loss of approximately 30 to 300 species per hectare. Not to mention, when these materials start decomposing, they release methane into the atmosphere. Methane traps 20 times more heat than carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is the result for global warming. I guarantee you didn't know recycling improves our economy. In 2016, recycling alone created 757,000 jobs. Incinerating 10,000 tons of waste creates one job. Landfilling the same amount creates 6 jobs. Recycling the same amount creates 36 jobs. How is this even possible? Recycling is a very integrated process. After someone puts a piece of trash into a recycling bin, it is then transferred to a facility where it is sorted. Then, depending on what kind of material the piece of trash is, it will undergo a process where it is broken down and turned into a different material. Companies can truly save money on disposing of trash by recycling. The EPA's 2016 Recycling Economic Information Report found that recycling generated $6.7 billion in local and state revenue tax in 2007. Since we're using the same material by recycling, we are using less energy and in return saving money. According to GoEverGreen.com, one aluminum can alone can produce enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours if reused and recycled. Now you know exactly what kind of benefits recycling can provide to our environment and our economy. I hope by now you are willing to help our Earth's resources be sustained where there are plenty of them for our grandkids to grow up in the future. You don't have to make a drastic change, but by doing simple things such as turning lights off when you leave the room or picking up a can and putting it in the recycling bin instead of a trash can, can have a tremendous effect on the Earth's future.